Time for Top That Trade. Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network news contributor, are here for our Trader Game. Round number one, guys. Second half whistle. What are your predictions for the second half of the year for the economy or the stock market?
Well, the first target, we traded sideways in the S&P for many, many months, 6 months between 3,800 and 4,200. That target's 4,600 in the S&P. So we still got some more upside in the broad market barometer. I'm a big believer in momentum. I think I learned that in physics. Didn't learn much else, but I do know about momentum, and it's a very, very powerful force. So I'm not going to fight it. I'm not going to try and pick the top of the turn. I've been doing this for more than 30 years. That does not work for me. So I'll leave that to the smarter guys, and they'll see what they can come up with. But I'm still going to be a buyer. I'm going to be looking at some more beaten down stocks.
Stock market has been looking ahead, right? Beyond the fact that the Fed's going to continue to raise interest rates, right? They have had some success in cooling inflation. And while inflation isn't totally put away, that is one of the downside risks for prices. But where else are you going to put your money right now, right? The Federal Reserve, by raising rates, has really discouraged investment in other types of businesses. So the best thing to do is to throw your money into a stock fund and just sit, because that's the safest place to get your investment. Obviously, if rates continue to go high, you're going to have some debate between whether you should go into bonds versus stocks. But I think stocks are going to win out in the second half of the year just because people are afraid of missing out, and they missed out on a lot if they got out early when the market looks scary.
Round number two, summer stocks. What stocks do you think will get hot?
I like the airline stocks right now. I think people are traveling. It looks like the travel for this holiday weekend is going to be close to the highest level it's been, since the COVID shutdown, and we're seeing signs of strong demand. So we like the airlines right now. Just take your pick. Whatever one you like to fly is probably the one. American is one of my favorites, but that's where I would put my money for the travel holiday.
In that note, Southwest is America's airline, and it's been beaten up badly. I'm a summer stocks are hot guy, not getting on the hot stocks. I like to get in the summer are not stocks. And one that I'm looking at is UPS. UPS has had some labor issues, and it's been, down, down, and down. So I think that's going to make a bit of a comeback here as people get into reality.
Round number three, Happy Hamptons. Every year at this time, traders head to the Hamptons. Are you in or out on a low volume trading market for the holiday?
That's an in. I'm always in. When are we out? You can never be out. There's always opportunity. Understand that if you want to have trade liquid markets with a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and have a trading plan, but trade anytime, any market, any direction.
It's kind of interesting, though, when you go into a 3-day holiday, so often you see a switch in many prices of commodities. For example, if you look at the energy markets, the 4th of July is the pinnacle of summertime gasoline demand, and demand sometimes for the entire year. So a lot of times what you'll see going into the 4th of July holiday, prices rally, and then as soon as you hit that holiday, it sells off. And if you go back on the charts, there are so many times, even in the strongest of bull markets, the 4th of July usually sets up for a major sell-off in oil. We'll see if it happens again this year.
Don't be burnt by the fireworks.
Let's take it to the bonus round question for today. It's ticker time. Are all of the following tickers true or false? Flag, USA, y'all.
True. All true.
All are true.
All true. Woohoo! Happy. Let's get the fireworks going.
Breakout.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.